If you've ever tried listening to music with rich surround sound and wondered how to actually unlock the full potential of your 5.1 speaker setup, today's tutorial is going to walk you through every step of how to play 5.1 channel music using VLC Media Player. By the end, you'll know exactly how to configure VLC so you get immersive, true surround sound, not just stereo, whenever you play your favorite tracks. Whether you're setting this up for a home theater night or just want a deeper listening experience, let's dive right in and confidently get your speakers working as they should. First, go ahead and launch VLC Media Player. Now, a lot of folks use VLC for video, but it's also a powerhouse for audio, especially with advanced settings for multi-channel playback. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. Then select Preferences. You might hear Preferences and think it'll be a maze, but don't worry. VLC's layout is straightforward. Inside the Preferences window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Audio. This is where we control all things sound-related in VLC. Pause for a moment and imagine this as customizing the engine room for your listening experience. You'll notice at the bottom of the window a section called Show Settings. By default, it's probably set to Simple, which is perfect for most folks, but for surround sound, we need more control. So select All. This reveals the advanced options. Don't let the extra menus intimidate you. We're going to guide you straight to the settings that matter. Now, look for the Audio section on the left sidebar and click the small arrow to expand it. Under Audio, you'll find Output Modules. Go ahead and click on that. Here's why this step is important. The Output module controls how VLC sends sound to your system. For Windows users, you'll want to select DirectX as your output module. DirectX is designed for handling advanced audio setups and is one of the most reliable ways to route 5.1 surround audio through VLC. After selecting DirectX, look over to the right-hand pane. You'll see an option to select your audio device. Here, you need to choose the output device that's actually connected to your surround speakers. This could be your dedicated sound card or maybe a receiver if you're using home theater gear. If you're unsure, take a moment to double-check which device Windows is using for sound, or you can test them one by one. Next, find the Speaker Configuration dropdown. Now's the time to set it to 5.1. If you're lucky enough to have a more advanced setup and your system supports it, you could select 7.1. This setting tells VLC how many speakers you have, ensuring that it distributes the sound to the correct channels. So your music won't just sound louder, but it will actually envelop you with drums, vocals, and instruments coming from different directions. Once you've made these changes, click Save at the bottom of the window. Then definitely restart VLC. This is important because some audio changes only kick in after a fresh start. After you relaunch, go ahead and play a piece of 5.1 channel music. You'll immediately notice the difference as every speaker comes alive. If a part of this process takes a few moments, or you're not sure which device to select, don't worry. Take your time and experiment. VLC is pretty forgiving, and you can always readjust these settings without harming anything. That's it. Now you're ready to enjoy true surround sound, just like you'd experience in a high-end theater or concert hall. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you've got questions or ran into any issues, just drop a comment. I check them regularly, and I'm happy to help. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a trick with VLC or your audio setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your music in stunning surround sound.